tumbled leather. Everybody, General 315 back again with another sneaker review video for y'all, and today we got the Jordan 5 We the Best sale colorway. These joints came out back in November, I think it was like the end of November 2022, and that was back when DJ Khalid was doing his whole We the Best collaboration with Jordan brand. He had a bunch of different colorways of these joints come out, but this colorway is the colorway that I personally think resonates with me the most. I do like the crimson looking one, the peach looking one. I think that's okay. I think there was like a light blue pair or something, and then there may have been a purple pair. This was the pair that resonated with me the most, primarily because they look like the grapes. It's kind of like a nice little spin to the grapes. The other pairs didn't really sit with me too well. I did think that this pack looked a little Easterish in my opinion, but it was okay. You know, it's okay. I do like the shoes. I like the little subtle things that were changed on the shoes. That's why I wanted to get this pair and show you guys. I know you can get these off of StockX and GOAT right now for a reasonable price. Right now in the 10.5, these are going for about $278-ish on GOAT and StockX, so it's definitely affordable. It's definitely, you know, easy to pick it up. I don't think a lot of people really ran out to get these. They weren't really running to the stores to buy them or whatever it may be. So the resale value on these joints are pretty low right now, so you could definitely get, you know, a decent pair of these joints. So before I get started breaking down the shoe, make sure you guys subscribe to the channel, comment down below, let me know what you guys think. Share the video, thumbs up the video, all those things that everyone else says in their videos. Please do that here. It really helps the channel grow. Make sure you guys follow me on Instagram for all the latest and greatest updates. Check out the Reels page. The Reels page is popping. I got a lot of shoes on there, some stuff that you might not have seen me review, but you might get a little quick preview there, so go check that out. And last but not least, go ahead and follow us in the Discord. The Discord link is in the description. If you want to know where we get kicks, where we find shoes, we do trade shoes in there as well, and we sell shoes between each other, but it's just a really good community. So if you want more information on how we do things on, at least on this channel, you can go ahead and follow us in that Discord. The Discord link is in the description of the video. So I'm not gonna spend too much time on this. I think there's a lot of videos of these out, but I definitely wanted to show my pair because I got a pair and I was a little excited about it. You know, pretty penny, you know what I'm saying, but very, very inexpensive and more so retail penny. So definitely affordable if that's what you want to do, okay? So the We the Best sale joints, very nice. Like I said, it does have some great vibes. You get some different color laces with these joints. So you get your black, you get your kind of like a sail, like a deeper sail, maybe like a gold, and then you have that nice little lavender, great feel right there with those laces, so not bad. We're just gonna give the shoe a quick once over. I'm gonna use this one. So just giving the shoe a quick once over right quick. Look at this, very, very nice. You got a nice sail pattern on that upper. You got some nice lavender there on that midsole. I like the speckles on the shark teeth. I think that's pretty nice. And then you have a translucent bottom. Still got your nice translucent cage. You got your translucent eyelets as well. You got some black on that midsole towards the back. And then look at the bottom there. We got We the Best. I think that's pretty nice. Got the Nike popping through. Semi-translucent, semi-aged lace lock right here, which isn't too bad. I like the black Jumpman on the tongue. And then the sock liner of the shoe is satin and it's light blue, so I thought that that was pretty cool. Got your Nike Air branding on the back, which also looks good. That's always a good hit. All right, so there are a couple differences on the shoe, but I wanted to just give you guys a quick once over just before we really break it down. So breaking the shoe down a little bit further, you see that toe box. That's that nice retail toe box, that curvature. Very, very nice. You can't go wrong with that. Leather on the shoe. You guys can see that leather. That leather is really, really nice. Got some tumbling in there. It's a little flat, I guess, but it's definitely like a very high quality leather. It's really soft to the touch, and there's no real breaks in it. I think it will crease very nicely. It's definitely a nice quality leather right there. Going to the midsole right there, like said before, you guys can see that lavender right there. You got the yellow with the light blue shark teeth, and then you got the yellow speckles there. So that's really, really nice. There's the air unit. It's nothing crazy. I like how they left it plain. I do like the black on the back right here around that midsole. I like this part right here of the midsole. I like how it's kind of like a peach almost. I do like that. I think that's pretty nice. I don't disagree with that at all. I think that's a nice little touch. It kind of breaks up the translucentness of the midsole. So I think that's pretty cool. Going here to the ankle collar of the shoe, as you can see, now this part right here has been flattened out. Normally there's like a bubble right here, or like a cushiony part right here, but you guys can see what DJ Khaled and Jordan Brand did is they flatten this piece out. So I do like that. That's a nice little touch, because sometimes these two pieces are a little annoying for people and it kind of bumps into each other here. But I like that. I think that's a pretty cool touch. Continuing further, we do have our gold stitching, and then you have the We The Best on one shoe. You have the Nike Air on the other shoe. I'm not really too fond of the We The Best part. I don't really care for that, but it's cool. I do like the Nike Air branding though. I think that's pretty cool. It always looks good on shoes. Medial side of the shoe looks just like the lateral side of the shoe, so nothing really different there. You guys can see that nice creasing right there in that leather, so that's gonna crease really nice. It's gonna look good. Like I said, eyelets of the shoe are translucent. Tongue of the shoe, you still got your sail laces going up, and I think me personally, I'll leave the sail laces in. I know there's other options, but I like this and the way it looks. Up to the lace lock right here, which looks pretty good. Got your Nike Air branding on there. And then you have a yellow Jumpman in there, which is nice. There's your Jumpman on the tongue, standard Jumpman. Stitching is always nice. Can't beat the retail. Standard shoe tree comes with these joints, so nothing crazy there. You have a quilted satin sock liner right there, which is nice. That's gonna feel really, really good on the socks, and it's gonna let your foot slide in and out really easily. And here is our insole right here. Very nice polyurethane insole. Very, very comfortable stuff. Very robust. You're gonna have a nice comfort fit right there with these. You got your Nike Air branded on there. So definitely nice. So as far as the We The Best Jordan 5 Sail colorway goes, I think it's a go. I mean, me personally, I think that the shoe is clean. It's kind of plain, but it's got a little flair to it. The materials are good. They're A1 quality, but it's a retail, you know what I'm saying? So just wanted to show y'all this joint. I wanted to bring it to y'all just so you can see it. If I had to rate it on a scale of 1 to 10, for the colorway, I'll give it at 8.5. I like the 8.5 range for this shoe. It's not spectacular, but it's still cool and it's different. It's something different to add to the collection. For construction and materials, 10 out of 10. Very nice materials on here. I like the satin, I like the leather, and I like the little changes that they did to like the ankle collar and things like that. I thought that was pretty cool. So that's all I got for this one, y'all. I hope this review is informative for y'all. Hope you guys go ahead and get a pair from StockX and GOAT while it's actually affordable. So until the next time, I'll see you guys. You guys stay humble. You guys stay blessed. Peace.